everybody okay in there?
Hello slot car fans, this is Rob DeLeon with the DeLeon Slot Car Raceway, and today we're doing a little race with a couple of friends. We've got Ed here in the blue shirt, and we've got Joe in the white shirt. Let's race.
Born to run, baby. Born to run. Welcome to the DeLeon.
Our first race today features Joe's blue McLaren M6B by Thunderslot and Ed's red Ferrari 312 PB by Vanquish. We will race 25 laps and then switch lanes for another 25.
See, your driver's more full. 3, 2, 1, go.
Gotta be quick on the track. Alright, Joe's got a 5-5, then got a 6-3, first lap.
Fastest lap by Bobby Joe. Enter the personal best lap time. New personal best lap time by Bobby Joe. Fastest lap by Bobby Joe. New personal best lap time by enter the new fastest lap. New personal best lap time by Bobby Joe. Bobby Joe did a new fastest lap. New personal best lap time by enter the new fastest lap. Bobby Joe Bob did a personal best lap time. Bobby Joe Bob did a new fastest lap.
Joe's got a 4.6, Ed's got a 4.7, fastest lap.
Bobby Joe Bob did a personal best lap time. Bobby Joe Bob did a new fastest lap. Half of the race is now over.
Ed's down the lap. Joe's got 14 laps. Ed's at the 13 lap.
New personal best lap time by Bobby Joe Bob. Fastest lap
Joe's
by
got
Bobby
a
Joe Bob.
4.5.
Only 10 laps
Got a
left.
4.9.
Bobby Joe Bob is in the lead. New personal best lap time by Bobby Joe Bob. Bobby Joe Bob did a new fastest
Best
lap.
lap for Joe at a 4.9.
Only 5 laps left.
4.5.
Bobby Joe Bob is in
Ed's
the lead.
down by 1 lap. Joe just crossed 22 laps. Joe's got 23. Ed's got 22. Ed's down a lap.
Attention, only 1 lap left.
1 lap left.
Bobby Joe Bob has won the race. Let's finish second.
Alright, rear cars at the beginning.
I'm going to second lap choice.
You got second. So your best time. Ed's best time 4.734. Joe's best time 4.5.
I was second.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
They didn't tell you. I could just start.
Bobby Joe Bob did a personal best lap time. Bobby Joe Bob did a personal best lap time. Fastest lap by Bobby Joe Bob. New personal best lap time by Bobby Joe Bob.
Joe's got a
Bobby Joe
5.0.
Bob did
Ed's
a
got mark, set, go. Joe's got a 5.4.
new personal best.
Go.
New personal best lap time by Bobby Joe Bob. Fastest Joe Bob. Fastest lap by Bobby Joe Bob. New personal best lap time by Bobby Joe Bob. Bobby Joe Bob did a new fastest lap. Half of the race is over.
Switch lanes and do another one.
Yeah, that's what we'll do.
These are the other cars.
Only 10 laps left. New personal best lap time by Ed. Bobby Joe Bob did a personal best lap time. Bobby Joe Bob did a new fastest lap.
Ed's got
Bobby
5.1.
Joe Bob
Joe's
is in
got
the
a
lead.
4.6.
New personal best lap time by Ed. New personal best lap time by Bobby Joe Bob. Fastest lap by Bobby Joe Bob. New personal best lap time by us. Only 5 laps left.
Set, go.
Bobby Joe Bob is in the lead.
You got to yell when you're off the track, right? I was
Only
speechless.
2 laps left.
Track up. Park, set, go.
Attention, only 1 lap left.
1 lap left.
Congratulations to Bobby Joe Bob for winning the race. He finished 7th.
Joe wins both heats with his blue McLaren, but I wouldn't count Ed out just yet. This was Ed's first time racing the DeLeon, and I'm sure when he comes back, he is going to be one to contend with. If you guys like this kind of content, please hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, and I'll know to make more of these kind of videos.